You have decided to use Breathe Right to help with your nighttime nasal congestion. Here's how to properly use your Breathe Right nasal strip. First, wash your face and thoroughly dry your nose before applying the strip. Moisture or makeup on your nose can limit how well the strip sticks. Next, peel the liner away from the strip to expose the adhesive. The correct placement of the strip on your nose is key. The strip should be centered along the width of your nose, with the tabs on the flaring part of the nostril, like so. Make sure not to place the strip too high or too low. Then gently rub the strip to secure it on your nose. You'll instantly feel the bands gently lift and open your nasal passages. Now that you have your Breathe Right nasal strip on, settle in for a restful sleep. Good night, mouth breathers.